Indeed, over time, we believe that autonomy will simply push volume through the roof and to new heights. We believe that there will be a virtually endless market for our dedicated robot taxi goods in the future. It's a revolutionary design created in a revolutionary manner, and the method by which we intend to build the RoboCab is likewise revolutionary. It will be the highest vehicle production rate ever achieved in terms of units per hour. I'm really thrilled about it, huh? Elon Musk appears to be supporting ARK Invest CEO Cathie Wood's highly optimistic forecast on Tesla, which she issued earlier this year. Cathie Wood, a strong Tesla supporter, and her company ARK Invest recently shared their predictions for the future performance of the Tesla stock. For Tesla's share price in 2027, Wood projected a base case of $2,000, a bearish estimate of $1,400, and a bullish objective of $2,500. Even while these look like extremely optimistic forecasts, Wood provided compelling arguments for her beliefs, and Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, appears to concur. Tesla investors should get ready for a prosperous future, one that is pioneered and engineered by one of the most inventive companies of our time, if Cathie Wood's forecasts come true. And since we are witnessing some of these, I was just looking at the NASDAQ and the Dow at session lows here in real time. We are looking at Tesla, which has now turned negative. It's time for FOMO. Tesla is still on pace to be the greatest performer in the S&P 500, at least for this week, despite having reversed its gains. The stock is still up 10% this week. I'm just drawing comparisons between it and some of the other names we toss in the hat. Occasionally, you may see a name like AMD, which is down 4.4%, Meta Platforms, which is down 3.5%, and Nvidia, which is down 3.6%. In other words, the company is, let's say, down 2/3%. When compared to some of its competitors in that massively lucrative tech industry, it's not so awful. I'm not kidding at all. Furthermore, it's maintaining a double-digit percentage gain this week, continuing its winning run for the third time in a row before real-time reversal. However, what intrigues me about connecting the UAW strike to everything Tesla is that experts believe Tesla may end up coming out on top in this transaction. The Detroit Three have already had significant difficulty making the shift to become more EV-focused. The Tesla RoboCab is likely the first item on ARK Invest's list and one of their most anticipated Tesla projects. Wood and ARK Invest estimated in a recent report that by 2030, the revenue generated by Tesla's robot taxis might reach $8 to $10 trillion. According to the firm's prediction, in 2027, Tesla's robotaxi business may account for as much as 67% of the company's estimated enterprise value and roughly 64% of its expected EBITDA. Additionally, even though Tesla's EV sales are expected to be far smaller than those of robotaxis, they are still expected to generate 47% of total revenues in the same year. It's hard to say for sure how much money Tesla can generate from a robot taxi service, and even if it does happen, it's a risky and complicated move that depends on a number of factors like market acceptance, technological advancement, governmental permission, and competition. To give you some idea of the financial potential of Tesla's robotic taxi business, we may highlight a few important variables and prospective revenue streams. We'll talk about a couple of these elements and how important they are to the development of the RoboCab platform throughout this video. Now let's get started, but before we do, please make sure you subscribe, press the like button, and enable post alerts if you enjoy this kind of content so you can stay updated on all things Tesla. First, a major determinant of revenue would be the size of Tesla's fleet of robot taxis. The amount of cars Tesla uses for this service will depend on a number of variables, like as market demand and legal restrictions. A larger fleet might serve more customers and bring in more revenue. When and where Tesla may introduce its robot taxi service will depend on the timing and level of governmental approval. With the use of Tesla's robo-taxi platform, self-driving taxis that can pick up and drop off customers at will be able to function as Tesla vehicles outfitted with FSD. Tesla's robotaxi platform has the potential to drastically lower the cost of car ownership for Tesla owners by leveraging this sharing economy. The robotaxi platform has the potential to produce additional money for Tesla by offsetting the cost of the car, hence increasing the accessibility of Tesla automobiles to a wider segment of the market. Just consider the millions of Tesla cars that are currently on the road, all of which have the potential to bring in money for both Tesla and their owners. In actuality, the interesting part of Tesla's robot taxi platform lies in data collection rather than ride sharing. The more Tesla cars that are driven, the more information Tesla can collect to improve its algorithms for autonomous driving. From its fleet of robot taxis, Tesla would gather valuable data that could be sold to other companies or used to advance its own autonomous technology, among other ways to generate revenue. With this data advantage, Tesla's leadership in autonomous vehicle technology may be cemented. As an avid follower of the stock market, Cathie Wood's flagship ETFs have made numerous investors millions of dollars in the past. She is always searching for the next great thing to hit the market. As you can see, Cathie Wood didn't just make up her projections about Tesla stock. Even in a pessimistic scenario, she claims that Tesla's driverless ride-hailing or robot taxi division might generate up to $200 billion in income by 2027. According to ARK's estimate, Tesla is expected to generate $1.02 trillion in revenue annually by 2027, with the robotic taxi industry accounting for 25% of this amount. Additionally, it projects that by 2022, the robotaxi industry may contribute up to 58% of Tesla's $6.1 trillion enterprise value, given its potential to be a tremendous driver of growth. According to this forecast from ARK Invest, the company has become more and more optimistic that Tesla will soon introduce a robot taxi service. We think Tesla is more diversified than any other pure-play automaker, and the stock price may skyrocket if it does manage to unlock as much value in autonomous vehicles as ARK anticipates over the coming years. ARK Invest reports that the company's price target is $2,000 as well. Upon closer inspection, this will prove to be the most valuable component of Tesla's whole enterprise. You'll see that Tesla stands to gain from this venture in a number of ways. First, Tesla may work with other businesses to create other revenue streams, such as ride-sharing platforms or delivery services. Similar to this, Tesla may decide to license its autonomous driving technology to other automakers in order to profit from joint ventures. Offering passengers access to premium features or software updates would be a great way for Tesla to boost the ante and generate additional income. In the end, Tesla's potential to succeed in the robotaxi industry will rest on its capacity to handle technological difficulties, obtain regulatory approval, maintain operational effectiveness, and effectively compete in a sector that is changing quickly. If these conditions are met, Tesla's robotic taxi project has the potential to be a major source of income for the business. However, what are your thoughts? Please share your thoughts in the space provided below. If you'd like to learn more about Tesla's recent activities, click the following video to view it on your screen. I'll see you over there. Tesla contains risks, just like any other investment, so purchasing its stock ought to be a planned component of your retirement plan. This is the proper course of action, in our opinion, and Tesla may be really helpful in protecting your retirement funds. Since this is all conjecture, it's acceptable to harbor doubts. A financial counselor should be consulted, as well as yourself, before making any investment decisions, especially ones that affect your retirement plan. How do you feel? Tell us in the comments below. Please click on the following video to see more about what Tesla has been up to in the previous few days. I'll see you over there. I took care to organize and fix the text without changing any of the original information.